In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adalo. We'll start right from the Adalo dashboard and build a new app together, keeping everything clear and simple so you can follow along with confidence. First, look at the top of the dashboard and click the app name to open the project switcher. This takes you to the place where you can manage projects and, most importantly, create a new one. Click Create New App. Adalo will immediately ask where you want people to access your app. You'll see options for mobile, tablet, and desktop, as well as mobile only. If you're unsure or you want the flexibility to design across devices, choose mobile, tablet, and desktop for now. You can refine layouts later as your design takes shape. Click Next to continue. You'll land on the template screen. Templates give you a head start with pre-built screens, navigation, and example data flows. Browse until you find something close to your use case, whether that's a directory, a booking flow, or a simple starter. Select the template that best matches your vision, then click Next. Now it's time to personalize the basics. Type in your app name. This shows up in the editor and later in distribution channels, so pick something clear and recognizable. Choose a primary color. This usually drives buttons, highlights, and key accents, and a secondary color to complement it. If you have brand colors, enter those. If not, pick contrasting colors that are accessible and easy to read. High contrast improves usability for everyone. When you're happy, click Create. Your editor will open with the template loaded. On the left, go to Components to see the building blocks you can add: lists, buttons, forms, inputs, media, and more. Switch to Sections to grab pre-assembled layouts that bundle multiple components in a consistent design. Explore features to extend your app's capabilities with things like authentication, notifications, or data utilities, depending on what your plan and template support. Now, make your changes. Drag components onto a screen, drop them where you want, and use the right side panel to adjust text, colors, spacing, and visibility. Connect buttons to actions, such as linking to another screen or updating a record. For lists, choose the collection they display and set filters or sorting to control what users see. As you fine-tune, keep consistency in mind. Reuse styles, align elements, and test different device widths if you chose the multi-platform option. Save regularly and build iteratively. Small, steady adjustments will help you move fast without breaking your flow. That's it. You've created a new Adalo app, selected a template, branded it, and started customizing with components, sections, and features. Keep refining, and you'll have a polished app in no time.